Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Chalking with Baby Cakes. I'm coming to you live this Friday night from the lake house. So I know you haven't seen my house a whole lot, maybe some pictures here and there. So you wouldn't know for sure this was the lake house unless I told you. So I just told you. Anyways, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to do my typical chalking. I did pick out a couple of really cute little hearts that I had gotten from Target last year that I was going to do some sayings on, and but then I chose to switch it up a little bit, do something a little bit different. I don't know if you guys have seen or not, but a couple days ago I started posting out about a dresser that I'm redoing. So I bought this dresser, and I was going to do it for the lake house because I have this cute little entryway over there. And I wanted to put, excuse me, a dresser in there, or a buffet, or something like that, so I could, we could have a place to throw our keys and that as we're coming in the house. But then it would also serve as storage, because if you just have a table, you really can't do storage. It's just there for decoration. But since the lake house is so much smaller, I need everything to kind of double, kind of like I do on my camper. Everything doubles for something, so you don't just have wasted space. I don't know if you hear that, but my dogs are here too, so you might see them randomly walking around, and if you do, just shout out, hey Violet, hey Red, hey Rocky. So anyways, yep, so we're all here. I have some good smells in the background because my husband's cooking steaks on the barbecue and cooking some other stuff, so we've got a lot going on tonight. But right now, so to get back to what I was saying, I wanted a dresser or a buffet or something like that for the lake house to put in my entryway. Well, the one that I purchased is too long. I still started redoing it, and once it's done, I'm going to sell it. So keep an eye out on my Facebook page for when it's done, and I'll post it out there, and you guys can have first dibs at it. I'm going to post it out on the Facebook Marketplace. It will be pickup only because I can't ship it. Sorry guys. But I picked out some really pretty blues, and with this is going to be my new one. We just picked it up today in Eldon, so this is the one I'm going to be doing today. And sorry, I'm out of the picture, I guess. I had to do this vertically instead of horizontally today. So it's kind of dirty, and I'm going to be doing it with the Dixie Belle paints. I picked out some really pretty blues and stuff like that to do it in, to keep a kind of beachy lake house theme. So I'm pretty excited about that. I love how my other one is turning out. It's really pretty, the rich blues, some peacock blues, some I can't even remember all the colors. I have them all here actually. But and then I'm just switching out the knobs on it. But to get started, because this is so dirty, we want to take, and I'm going to use the Dixie Belle paint. So if you see the Dixie Belle paint, this is a Hurricane Gray, which I don't know if I'm going to use on this one or not. So here are all my different color choices. I have the Hurricane Gray. I've got Pure Ocean. I've got this Antebellum Blue, Paint Blue, Peacock, which is actually my favorite color. This peacock color, isn't that beautiful? I love this color. This is Drop Cloth, which is a favorite. And then this is the clear coat. So when I'm all done with everything, I will put a clear coat over it. And I'm going to just move that out of the way. So I won't be actually painting anything tonight on the live because I haven't really decided everything that how I want to color coordinate everything. So I just wanted to kind of give a brief tutorial. Not that I'm an expert on this by any means. I've learned from Laura at That One Place Market. She is really great at this. So I'm kind of trying to channel my inner Laura, I guess. So we want to start out with some white lightning. And this, I'm just going to spray it on here. And I'm sure there's probably a better way to do this, but I have found that this worked for me the past couple times. We redid our cabinets and our counters with the Dixie Belle Chalk paste, and it worked really well. So we get this white lightning, and I'm just going to come behind here and kind of spray it on top, because you want to get all the dirt and grime off of here to get it all prepped up really good. Now I did notice as I was kind of going through this a little bit that there is some, not only is it really filthy, there is a slight smoke smell to it, so I might do a little bit of extra cleaning to it to help make it so it's not as smoky. And this white lightning is actually getting this stuff up pretty good. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. That's disgusting, isn't it? So we're just going to keep cleaning, and I might have to clean this a couple times before I actually start painting it. After you're done with the white lightning though, you'll want to go over it with some just regular water, a wet cloth with some water on it, to get all the white lightning off, because you don't want the white lightning to stay on there underneath the, oh my gosh, my papers, underneath the paint. So I'm going to do another round on this real quick. So this is going to be a work in progress, so you can stay tuned and see all the different pictures of me redoing this. Now it might take a little while because we're not down at the lake house every weekend, much to my husband's chagrin, I'm sure. So it might take me about a month or so to get this done, because I'll only work on it while we're down here at the lake house. Wow, that is pretty filthy. Pretty filthy. So, and then you'll see what I'm going to want to do as well is I'm going to need to take off these doors and get them all cleaned up really good. Get these doors taken off. I'm going to change the hardware out. There are drawers. They're out on the deck right now. So, and then this stuff, I'm going to take these out and get them cleaned up pretty good. And this bottom piece right here, it's broke. So we're going to take this out and actually put in some good quality layment down there and get it all cleaned up, get it all done up. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I'm working on. Something a little bit different than my normal chalk painting, but I will be doing some chalk painting. I did post out today, so if you guys have something you want to see me do live, whether it be painting something or doing my chalking or I don't know, whatever else you want to see me do, well, within reason, guys, I would be more than happy to entertain your ideas. I'm looking for something to keep you guys engaged, keep you guys happy, and keep you guys wanting to come back and learn a little bit more from me. So I hope you found this a little bit educational, a little bit different than my normal chalking. It is almost New Year's now, so I don't know if you guys have any good New Year's plans or anything. My first Chalk and Talk of the 2020 will be January 10th at Wine Antiques and More, so come out and join us there. I believe that's a Friday night, so that'll be a different night other than the normal Wednesday nights. So come on out and come chalk with us on January 10th. Prices are going up a little bit this year, just because some things went up in cost. Plus I'm going to include on all your classes now, when you come, whether you're bringing back your own surface or you're buying a surface from me or bringing your own surface, I'm going to include a little mini try it kit. So it'll have everything you need. It'll have like a little mini chalk paste. It'll have a mini squeegee, a little chalk chip, and a little stencil in there and instructions. So you can either use that to practice before you go ahead and do your chalking, or you can keep it and give it away as a gift. It makes a great little, just a little tiny gift for somebody who might be a little bit crafty. And it doesn't take up much room, and so I'm going to include that in all my Chalk and Talks. So anyways, if you have anything that you have any questions on, or if you want to see me do something really different, any ideas for chalking, so if you want to see me do something for Valentine's Day, let me know. If you want to see something for Easter, or have any ideas, throw them out there at me. I'd love to see what you guys want to, I would love to do what you guys want to see me see me chalk or paint or whatever. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Happy Friday, whoop whoop. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a very happy new year. Thank you to all of you who have constantly been at my classes and checked in with me and just supported me all year. I cannot thank you enough. This has been really an awesome year for me, getting out there and meeting you all and teaching you guys about chalking, and hopefully 2020 will bring about a lot more great things. So anyways, again, have a great weekend. Happy Friday, Happy New Year, and I will see you next year. All right, bye-bye, guys.